Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to talk about my new favorite grooming tool for my pet cat, this pet hair removal glove. It's super easy to use. All I have to do is slide my hand right in, and I secure the glove with the Velcro strap. The bristles are a great addition, I think, because previously it was just always super hard to groom my pet cat Suki because I couldn't find the right brush. They were either too rough or super stiff, but with this one, it is just the right fit. Whenever it's time to groom her, all I have to do is slide the glove on and I pet her like I normally would, but the bristles pick up all the loose fur and there is zero mess. You can't hear it in the video, but my cat is purring throughout the entire process, so I know that she's enjoying it. Once we're done, all I have to do is peel off all the loose fur from the glove. I roll it up into a little ball and then I throw it out in the trash. Thanks to this glove, grooming has now become a process that both my pet cat and I enjoy. I do think that this is a great purchase for any pet owner, but that's just my point of view.